Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I am your grade 5 English literature teacher. And remember, we have started the adventures of Tom Sawyer. And in this book, we have studied the first topic, and that was about the bad Tom, in which Tom had done some mischief and he has beaten one boy also. So, Aunt Polly has given him a punishment that he has to work on Saturday and to so that he will not do any mischief again, and so that he has to paint a fence that is 9 feet high and 30 yards long. So now we are starting the new topic, and that is hard work, and that is on page number 5. So you can quickly take out this page. I am reading and explaining the page. Okay. On Saturday, Tom appeared outside his house, was carrying a bucket of paint and a brush with a long handle. He looked at the fence and took a deep breath. The fence was 30 yards long and 9 feet high. His punishment was to paint. Now he was looking at the fence. The fence was very big. I told you the size. So it seemed to him there was no joy in the world. He sighed as he dipped his brush in the paint and passed it top long board. He did it again and then stood back to look at the tiny piece he had painted, and then at the rest of the to be done. It was too much. Now he was still starting to paint, but the paint was done very small piece because the fence was very big, and he took so much time, but he was able to only paint a little. Now, as he was painting, his friend Jim arrived, and he was carrying a bucket to fill the water from the well. And Jim was a boy who was working with Aunt Polly, and he was going to the town to bring water. So Tom thought that Tom asked Jim that if you paint some fence for him, then Tom can bring the water from the town. But Jim said yes, but then he said no. Because Jim said that if I will not listen to Aunt Polly, then Aunt Polly is going to beat him. So Tim had an idea. He showed him a little ball of colored glass, so that to make the Jim interested to do his work. So Jim was greedy to see the little ball of colored glass. He said, "Okay, I'll paint the fence for you." But then he thought about Aunt Polly, and he said no, and he went away from there. Then what happened? Tom started to paint, and he started to paint fastly so that he could finish his punishment and then he can go out to play. Suddenly, there passed Ben Rogers, who passed by the road, who was eating an apple. He saw Tom was painting, and Tom didn't pay any attention to Ben. And Ben said hello, and so Tom didn't answer. Ben said that I'm going for swimming, but I think Tom had to work, so Tom didn't answer anything. Still, he kept on continuously doing his work, but Ben was very much interested. He stood with him and he started to look what was he doing. So then at last, Ben was eating the apple. Tom was only interested in the apple that Ben was eating, but he couldn't ask for it, of course. So then Ben, watching for a long time, he told Tom. Ben told Tom that can I paint a little? And here the story stops. Now after this, I gave some work for you. I asked a few reference to the context. We discussed a few reference to the context. One was that if I'll go and get water, if you will paint some fence for me. It's here. I'll go and get the water if you will paint some fence for me. This is told by Tom and to Jim. that Tom was saying, he was giving him the offer that if you paint something for me, paint the fence, then I will bring the water from the town. So the circumstances here are that Tom was tired of painting the fence, and so that's why he was offering Jim to bring the water from the town so that some of his painting work could be done. Then another reference to the context I have given for home is Tom, let me paint a little. This is told by Ben. Ben is telling this to Tom, and he is telling this to Tom because he is finding the painting work very interesting, and so he is wanting to also do this work for some time so that he enjoy this work. Then I have given a few sentences from the chapter to make, and the words are hard work, punishment, bucket, painting, and interest. You will make the words according to your level. Don't make it childish sentences because you are in level 5. So you should make sentences of your own caliber. I hope that you have understood the lesson. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.